This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Have you ever wanted a tiny 3D printed robot duck that can actually hold a conversation with you? Because Google's engineers just built exactly that, and the technology running inside of it is honestly mind-blowing. Meet Autumn and duck Gemma. On the outside, they look like cute, quirky little toys with moving antennas and expressive eyes. But on the inside, they are running Google's brand new Gemma 4 AI model completely locally. This means there is no cloud connection, no massive server farm processing their thoughts, and no internet required. Everything they see, hear, and say is processed right inside their tiny plastic bodies. To show off how powerful this setup is, Google's team built two different versions. The white and blue duck is running the AI model on a simple Raspberry Pi 5. The gold one is running on an NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano. Both of them are packed with cameras for eyes, a microphone to listen to you, and speakers to talk back. They use a super clever three-step AI pipeline to make this work. First, a tool called Parakeet translates what you say into text. Then, Gemma 4 processes that text and figures out a smart response. Finally, a system called Kokoro turns that response back into a natural voice. And the results are incredibly snappy. When the engineer asks the duck to explain what a large language model is, it doesn't lag or wait for an internet connection. It immediately tilts its head, blinks its LED eyes, and gives a perfect conversational definition. It even introduces itself, explaining that its name, Autumn, stands for Open Duck Mini. The real magic here isn't just that the duck is cute. It's how efficient the AI has become. Just a year or two ago, running a smart multimodal AI that can see and talk required a massive computer setup. Now, Google has optimized the software so well that it can run on a pocket-sized piece of hardware that costs less than a video game. Think about what this means for the devices we use every day. We are moving toward a world where your smart home tech, your toys, and even everyday appliances can understand you and interact with the physical world completely offline. They won't need to send your data to a giant company's server just to turn on a light or answer a question. The developers behind these ducks say the next step is to get them walking around, recognizing each other, and autonomously exploring their environment. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the coolest breakthroughs in AI and robotics, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and join the AIX community. What would you build if you had a super smart AI running on a tiny chip? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.